Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to install apps on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now to install apps on iPhone 12 Pro Max, all you need to do is go ahead and open the App Store. Click on the search button at the bottom right. Search for the application you want to get. So go ahead and search for the name of the application. So let's say you want to get the Red Bull app. So just search for the name. Then click on search if the name does not come up in the suggestions. Once you click on search, scroll through, locate the app you want to install on your iPhone 12 Pro Max, click on it. Now go ahead and click on the get button. Once you click on the get button, hang on, then you see a port that says double click to install. Then confirm your Face ID again. Then you should see the application installing on your iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now if you go to the app menu, then you should see it waiting. So once the application is downloaded and installed, you can now go ahead and then open it. So that is basically how to install apps on iPhone 12 Pro Max. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.